So he's saying to the Brahminis, the wives of the Brahmins, he's saying your heart is very soft. And actually the ladies' mood is very soft because they have Vatsalya Bhav. Krishna and Balaram, and with a humble mood, he said to the ladies, the wives of the Brahmins, that because your heart is so soft, you got Vatsalya Bhav. So please, we are hungry, and can you please feed us with some bhojan? So the wives are saying, wives are saying that if we go back, the husbands will maybe not accept us. But Krishna is saying, no, don't worry, you go back, your husbands will accept you. Like I said, like for example, if a beggar comes to your house, you shouldn't, give him any more suffering. You should whatever you have in your house, you should give him. Even if you are very poor, you would still have 4 things in the world. Nice sweet words. Like Mahatma, you would invite him, come welcome him with sweet words. The second is you have to give an offering, asan, a place to sit. Okay, let's say you don't have an asan because you are so poor. Then also, the place you clean that place and give him a place to sit. And the third is jal, pani, water. Also, give him some water, a glass of water. If you don't have anything, and then you can tell Santa Mahatma, today we don't have anything in our house, so how can I serve you? Then when Bhagavan gives us something, I will surely serve you. 7 steps. So when the Mahatmas leave your house, then you walk behind him 7 steps. Actually, this is, yes. So when they leave the house, he will take you, or if you don't, like that. And then if you don't, that's why you have to go 7 steps. That's why you should honor them. Because if you don't, then they will take your punya, your pious activities, and they leave their pap in the house. So lights. Here the Sukadeva Goswami Pad is saying, Hey Parikshit Maharaj, Hey Brahmini, the wives of Brahmin, Shri Krishna or Balaram and Balaram. So when they were cow herding and they were Krishna and Baladev, they were cow herding there in the pastures there. And we are very hungry and thirsty. So please arrange some food for us. सुखदेव गोस्वामी Pad is saying, "Hey Maharaj Parikshit, that
कृष्ण की सन्निकट आगमन सुनकर के कृष्ण निकट में है ऐसे जानकर के
they heard when the Krishna is nearby, the Brahmini, the wives of the Brahmin, so these Brahminis, they were hearing the katha and of the beautiful form of Krishna. Which katha did they hear? Sometimes some residents of Mathura used to come to Vrindavan to sell some fruit or sell something, and the ladies who used to come from Mathura, they used to hear a lot of leelas of Krishna from Vraj ladies. So that's why these ladies, they had desired to have darshan of Krishna. There is 3 prakar of darshan. One is darshan jata, one is swaran gata, to listen the glorification. Then you get a greed in your heart to have darshan. That is called smaran jata. Darshan jata. Sometimes you have a darshan, and then you get this your heart. You get prem, love in your heart. There is 3 types of prem. One is Shravan Jata, and Darshan, and Samajan. It depends on your previous life's samskar. The prem that gopis have is, they are told, that is spontaneous love. The relationship gopis have with Krishna is savik. Just like how Agni, like the sparkles, the sparkles of in a fire, they have that relationship. Yes, so wherever there is fire, there is a, what do you call, sparks. The sparkles of the fire is there. So just like gopis, wherever gopis are there, then they naturally have a spontaneous, natural love for Krishna. So when did this prem rise in Krishna Gopi's heart? The day when Mother Jashoda tied Krishna in the mortal, what is it called? The mortal. Then Mother tied Krishna in the mortal, and then she walked away. Then Krishna started to cry loudly, and the cry from Gopal's mouth, he was that these gopis, they had darshan of Gopal when he was crying loud. So when they had darshan, these gopis, in their heart, the prem just arose, awakened in their heart. That's why when did this prem start? You said Savika means, like I gave the example, like the gopis have spontaneous love. Tathapi, but for the Leela, but they naturally have this love, right? But for the purpose of the Leela, then when the gopis had darshan, when gopis saw that Krishna, then Krishna was crying. When Jashodama tied Krishna with the rope, that's when the love awakened in their heart. So that is darshan jata prem. Ujja.
सारे श्री कृष्ण के विचार बताते जाए।
All the Goswamis commentaries that Ujjwal, Kubja, the example of Darshan Jata Prem is Kubja.
और श्रवण जातु प्रेम,
And who is the example of Shravan Darsha? Rukmani.
रुक्मिणी के विवाह के समय
When Rukmani is during the marriage ceremony,
शिशुपाल के साथ विवाह करने के लिए
her brother wanted, Shishupal wanted, sorry, her brother, Rukmani's brother wanted Rukmani to marry to Shishupal.
उसी रात में
At that night,
नारद ऋषि
Narad Muni came
महिमा श्रवण कराए।
to Rukmani and spoke about glorification of Krishna. And then when Rukmani heard the glorification katha from Narad Muni, that's when the love, the prem for Krishna awakened in her heart, and she wrote a letter and with the Brahmins, in the Brahmin's hand, and said, "Can you pass this letter to Krishna?"
तो ये रुक्मिणी
This Rukmani, the Rukmani prem is called Shravan Jata. Shravan Jata, Darshan Jata, Shravan Jata prem or Sabhav prem.
जिस कथा प्रसंग हम आगे चलते जा रहे
Then we go,
हैं, ये समझते जो रब है क्या बोले माफुल रमणीका अर्थात ब्राह्मणिका है, उनके हृदय में भी अनेकों दिन से गोविंद दर्शन के लिए
so these Brahminis, ladies, they were very eager to have darshan of Krishna because they heard so much glorifications from
अच्युत के माने कृष्ण के है, अनेकों लीला कथाओं वे लोग ने श्रवण किया है, और इसलिए उनके हृदय में
so they
इतनी
heard.
उल्लास होने लगी।
So when they heard the glorifications of Krishna and so much Harikatha, then they had this greed to have darshan of Krishna.
वो समस्त ब्राह्मणिकन अत्यंत आसक्ति चित्त से गोविंद दर्शन में अभिलाषी होकर के व्यस्त हो गए। चतुर्विधं बहुगुणं अन्नमादा भाजने स्वयं सर्वा समुद्र जीवनिमग्नाः।
Srila Sukadeva Goswami Pad is saying, "Hey Maharaj, Pariksit Maharaj, this Brahmin is
अनेकों प्रकार की जो है चप्पो चिश्वर झप्रिय
Chaturvida,
भजन की सामग्री
all the different ingredients for bhajan, so many various dishes of bhajan. They all the dishes they had cooked, they collected and they were taking that to Krishna. Nadia, like he's giving an example of a river, how the river is waiting, how the river is flowing to meet the ocean. So in the same way, these Brahmini wives, they were so eager to meet Krishna. Abhishari means to meet. They were. Our Vishnava Thakur is saying Abhishar. There is 8 types of Naika, heroines. Abhishari Naika, like these Brahmanis, they were only one pointed. They were not looking here or either or there on this side. With so much one pointedness, and what was the bhojan samagri? Whatever bhojan samagri they made preparations, so many preparations for the yagna. Those samagris, those dishes, they collected and they were taking that with them. Many days, these Brahmanis, Yagni Patani. they heard whatever they heard about Govinda,
अत्यंत गोविंद
their
दर्शन में
heart,
आसक्त हो गया।
they had so much eagerness,
के लक्ष्य
Ashanti, so much eagerness in their heart to have darshan.
रखते ही विभीषण।
They could not even wait for a moment. It was like immediately they wanted to have darshan.
उस समय उनकी माता पिता
And his mother,
दादा बंधुगण निषेध करने पर भी वे लोग मानी नहीं।
oh,
इस प्रकार ये उदाहरण देते हैं।
the examples like gopis, they didn't listen to their parents. They just like a river is flowing to the ocean. That how quickly, yes, how the river flows so eagerly to meet with the ocean. That's an example they've given.
यहाँ पर सुखदेव गोस्वामी
Here Sukdev Goswami Pad is saying, hey Maharaj, Ashakti means that the Brahmins, they had so much Ashakti for for Govinda. They forgot about the husband's father, parents.
और विशेष करके कृष्ण उस समय कहाँ पर आप पूछे थे?
Where was that Krishna? Where was that Krishna at that moment?
नवपल्लवित सुशोभित अशोकवर्णी यमुना उपकूले। वह यमुना की
Where?
उपकूल जो है, तीर जो है, सुंदर अशोक वृक्ष आदि के द्वारा
By the tree, he was waiting by the tree near the Yamuna.
वह सुंदर स्थान है। जहाँ पर उस समय तो ब्राह्मणगण क्या देखा?
Then the Brahmanis,
ना गोप परिवेष्टित बलराम
they saw,
बलराम और कृष्ण के द्वारा।
they had darshan of Balaram and Krishna.
सदृश माने दृष्ट वस्तु है साग्रजम माने बलदेव को देखा
They saw Baladev Prabhu and Krishna. They had darshan of Baladev Prabhu and Krishna. Then when they had darshan,
ब्राह्मणी को देखा
then the Brahmin party,
सुंदर सुस्वर से कीर्तन करने
and they started to kirtan. They do kirtan. They started to, as soon as they had darshan, they started to do kirtan to glorify Krishna.
धातु प्रबलम नटवेश अनुव्रतांसे विन्नस्तहत्तमितरेण दुराब्जम् कर्णोत्पलालकप्रफुल्लं मुखाब्जहासम्।
So Sukadev Goswami Pada said, "Hey Maharaj Parikshit, these Brahmanis, when they saw this beautiful roop of darshan, they started to glorify it, and they started to he was like, he had a balmala. He had a mala around his one mala. You know he had a beautiful one mala around his neck. How beautiful one! And then he had a peacock feather on his head. On his head, he had a peacock feather. Like if you have this color, right? Rang. If you rub this color on the stone, it comes out as a red color. So that. So they glorified that red lips. He had that red lips. So what was Krishna doing? With one hand, he had one hand on the shoulder of one of the sakhas, and on the other hand he had a beautiful flower.
सुंदर एक कमल के लेकर
like a beautiful kamal, lotus flower he had in his one hand, and his other hand he was resting on the one of the Sakha's shoulder. He had beautiful alankar, very nice ornament. What was his hair like? When he would smile, like he was smiling, but he was smiling, like his smile was such that at least it was like as if he was giving kripa to them. And his beautiful face, with smiling face, it was so auspicious. It was like the smile of the Govinda is so beautiful. They had beautiful ornaments. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying, this Krishna on his left hand was a lotus flower. He was moving it like this. He was showing it. It's like actually he's saying, like, he's moving with his hand, he's rotating that lotus flower, and he's trying to say that this is what I do with people's heart, like mind, that I rotate and I move their minds. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying, like this, Krishna, like this flower, lotus that he is rotating, like moving round and round, is the explanation of that. The explanation is saying, he's saying that I take, I am in everyone's heart, like I attract their heart. But Bhagwan is telling Arjun, I sit in everyone's heart as Paramatma. Whatever, as a witness, whatever one does, it's like without the desire of Krishna, not even one leaf moves. Without the desire of Bhagwan, nothing happens. Like that, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying in this slok, hey Brahminis, your heart, I knew your heart. I know what was in your heart from before. You have ichha, like I know that you had so much deep greed, ichha, desire to have darshan. I know everything. But whatever your hriday is, in heart is, but in your heart. Bhagwan is antaryami. He knows everyone's heart. Bhagwan is residing in everyone's heart. Whatever you do, actually nothing happens without desire of Bhagwan. Whatever the ichha, whatever the Bhagwan decides, if it's not desire of Bhagwan, we cannot even lift a glass to drink water. That is true. So it's not that you cannot say that if a thief is stealing, then you cannot say, oh, the Bhagwan is making him steal. What did Duryodhana do? Duryodhana said, oh, whatever I've done is for the ichha of yours, desire of yours. But
आपके सारे देखे है मैंने ऐसा करते हैं।
In good deeds, he will help you. But if you're going to do something bad, then he will warn you. He will say, "Don't do this," but you don't listen.
सत्कार की कोई करे
Whoever does, if you do good deeds, then Bhagwan will help you.
भगवान आपको बाधा देते हैं।
And if you do bad deeds, then
तमो रजगुण होने के नाते
Bhagwan will warn you and give you a message. Don't do it, but you do it. Sometimes some people, like they do karmas,
उनके हृदय से एक आएगा बाधा है।
like in your heart, within your heart, you will get a message, like you will feel that should I do this or should I not. But the Rajagun and Tamagun, because of that ignorance mood and Tamagun, passionate mood, you will have sometimes you will not listen to what Bhagwan is telling you. Rajagun and Tamagun. Whatever you do, Bhagwan is actually always, he's our friend. Bhagwan is our friend. He wants the best for us. Like a friend gives a good advice to another friend. So here, God is also your friend in your heart. He's your friend. He's always giving you best advice. Puranjan. Puranjan. He's like that as a witness, but he's our friend. In Sukadev Goswami said in Puranjan Katha, it's written. We don't know, we don't realize it. Wherever we go, Bhagwan is with us. Wherever we walk, wherever we go, Param Sneha, he is our friend, our Param friend, our eternal friend is with us. That's why I say you are not alone, Pyare Ram is with you. Don't be Sitaram, who he's saying that if you don't have that ego and you are humble, then you will attain God. Ram tere saath mein. You are not alone. Ram is with you. Tulsidas is saying. Because you don't realize it. But I am your friend. I'm always with you. Puranjani ki. So like that, Bhagwan is always with us. Here it says, Hey Brahmini, Utkanti means you had so much eagerness to meet me. I knew that. I know that. That is also how? And also like that, I am also attracted. You are attracted to me. That is because of me. You got attracted to me, and you got that eagerness. That's why without Bhagwan's thing, Leela, with Bhagwan's desire, no Leela happens. So just like this, I gave this Pannagati, means like like in your heart I came. That's why because of me you have come here to have darshan. That's why. So please don't stay here too long now. Don't delay. Go back. If your husband, like your husband, if somebody asks us a question, why? you left your bandhu, friends, father, and your husbands and your parents. You didn't listen. You listen to them. Then and you come to see me. Then you will also be in trouble. Like the Bhagwan is saying, don't worry about that. You missed it. Like we, don't worry, because I am the one called you. Whatever obstacles you had, whatever bandha obstacles, I will destroy. I will destroy all those obstacles. I will remove those obstacles. And the Sukadeva Goswami Sukadeva Goswami Path is saying, they had so much utkanta, so much eagerness to have a darshan of Krishna, and they were when they heard this katha in their mind, it was just always they were always remembering that katha, just like how the bumblebees in gun 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 gun, like in the similar way, in their mind, in the Brahmini's mind, from the ears, like they heard whatever they heard, all the kathas they heard from here. So they were just like hearing it again and again and again. Ashakti. So when you are attracted to one thing, then you are only thinking of that thing. You are not attracted, then you don't think about anything else. So because of the Ashakti they had for Krishna so much to have darshan. Sindhu. No, Guru is talking to one devotee who's come in a really orange kurta. So he's saying he looks like you come sindoor, like red color. So he looks like. Sindoor, red color he's got. So he just. So Gurudev is saying that oh, you come the red. Hanumanji. So when Sita was put in Sindoor, so Hanuman, then if when from her, what is Hanumanji did, this whole bottle full of Sindoor, he mixed it, he covered the whole body with the Sindoor. And then everybody look at this bandar, look this monkey. Just they were joking and laughing. And Ramchandra said, "Hey Lakshman, don't laugh at him. Don't laugh at him. Ask him why he's put sindoor on. So just saying that you come and you in a red kurta." So this is the katha I remembered when I saw you. Then Sukadeva Goswami said, because of Ashakti, when you have deep attachment, they had so much deep attachment for Govinda, for Krishna. Their mind was not going anywhere else. In their eyes, the katha they had heard, that's what was, whatever they heard from the katha, that was again and again they were remembering it. Sometimes, like Mathura, like a seller, a fruit seller, or she goes to Vrindavan, and then they hear from the gopis' mouth about the glorification of Govinda. They hear about Govinda, then they have so much eagerness to have darshan of Govinda, and the katha they've heard, that keeps on. They keep on remembering it at all the times, again and again and again.
और उनके पक्षी रंध्री नयन में दार में वही मानव दिखाई पड़ने लगे और उसी देख करके उसी के से वे लोग गोविंद के आलिंगन करने के लिए
they wanted to
बार-बार चिंतन करते
they started to meditate on how to hug him, because the Krishna's roop is so beautiful, Madhurya, roop Madhurya.
गोविंद के रूप इतने सुंदर है
The form of Krishna is so beautiful.
जैसे कहते हैं एक बार
It's like
कोई सखी राधा जी के
one,
बोले राधे
hey Sakhi say to Radha, hey Radhe,
कोई रूप एक बार वर्णन कर
you have the roop of
गोविंद के रूप का वर्णन कर राधा जी कहती है गोविंद के रूप क्या वर्णन कर
what, how can you glorify roop? No, speak about Krishna's roop.
ज्ञानदास और चंडीदास के कीर्तन में
In Chandidas Kirtan,
उनकी रूप की एक छटा एक कण
at
त्रिभुवन माता है, जैसे हम चेतन में
Chetan,
एक कण त्रिभुवन माता है, जिस रूप की एक कणा जो है
even one
ब्रह्मांड की जितने
even one atom of room, even one atom, you cannot even compare it with even this the beauty of this big Brahmand. You cannot even compare it.
इतने सुंदर
It's that beautiful.
गोविंद किसने कहते गोविंद की जो रूप माधुरी
There's a Govinda, there's Madhuri of four, Rupa Madhuri, Leela Madhuri, Venu Madhuri, Prema Madhuri, and Prema Madhuri.
रूप माधुरी की इतने सुंदर है
Rupa Madhuri is so beautiful. So it's just,
इतने सुंदर रूप
it's so beautiful.
तो हमारे ज्ञानदास चंडीदास
Our Gyandas Chandidas is saying in the Kirtan,
बोले कृष्ण की अंग की
Krishna's
कोई
beauty, the body, Krishna's body
इतने सुंदर जो है
is so beautiful that I cannot even describe.
इतना सुंदर क्या
It's, how can I describe? It's so beautiful. Every atom, every
तो मैंने दर्शन पूरा दर्शन नहीं होगा
even you don't, let's say you didn't have a full darshan,
चिपक जाएगा
like whatever you have, your eyes will be staring. It will like stop staring.
देखो तो आंख में आंख लग जाता है
It's like if you have a look at his eyes, then your eyes will stare at eyes. If you look at his ears, then your eyes will just get so absorbed and stare at the ears.
एक बार
One day, in Chandravali Sakhi Padma, they went to, so they were discussing with the Radharani Sakhi and the Chandravali Sakhi Padma, and they said Radharani Sakhi, they were existing, like she's praising Chandravali, like like when she's having Chandravali is having darshan when Sakhi, Padma Sakhi, and he's telling to Radharani Sakhi that our Chandravali, with one glance, she is having the darshan of the whole Krishna. Govinda, even if she had eyes, only one, which part of the body where she sees with one eyes, that she's so absorbed in that her eyes doesn't go here or there. That's how much ashakti she has. That's when she's so deep attachment to Krishna. Krishna thus is saying in Chaitanya Charitamrita, he's saying, Radhaji herself is saying, the roop, the beauty of Radharani, beauty of Krishna is so beautiful. But if you have, even Krishna comes in your mind, in your sapna, in your dream, the face is, you cannot even compare it with the moon. So when you have this darshan, even in dream, you have so much ulas, so much anand, then you'll have tears from your eyes. It will be non-stop tears, like tears will flow like stream of tears. Because the tears, when your eyes, when you have tears in your eyes, that will block you to have darshan of Krishna, because that will obstruct. The tears will cause obstruction to have darshan of Krishna. That would be the ananda. You'll have so much ananda, and the prem would just like there would be so much prem in your heart that you have tears in your eyes. Even if you keep on wiping the tears, but the tears will continuously flow. That's how much anand you have when you have darshan of Krishna. That is called darshan. How many of darshans? Then you'll feel, oh, I want to do more. You'll just never be satisfied. You'll never be satisfied. You have darshan once, you want more and more and more. Like, when you have temperature, Sanatana is in Bhagavatam, he's comparing this one disease, like you have so high temperature that you are so thirsty, you are just dying to have water. You are dying to have water, but the doctor said, no, don't give him water. But the patient wants so much water. Then when you give 1 teaspoon of water, when that water goes in his throat, 1 teaspoon goes in his throat, then his thirsty for water increases 10 times. So even once you have darshan of Krishna, then you will keep on like taraptar, like how the fish is, like a lightning. That's it. Like lightning is a second, but then you'll be Vyasadev. That's how much. When I had Vishnu, when Naraji had the darshan of Lord Vishnu, then how much he was eager again to have this darshan again. So same goes for Govinda's darshan. Here Krishna is saying, hey Brahminis, I am the one who attracts you. Actually, without Bhagwan's desire, you would not come here. The Brahmin is saying, thinking in the mind, the tika is very beautiful. We will do the next katha tomorrow. Then, like how the Brahmini's wives are describing their vows to Krishna. Then how they are talking with the Govindas, that we will discuss tomorrow. Vanchakalpa.
Vrindayai tulasi devai Priyayai kesavasacha Krishna bhakti prade devi Sattavaktai namo namaha Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare। मैं सबसे पहले अस्मदीय परमाराध्य गुरुपाद पद्म ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस स्वामी अष्टोत्तर शत श्रीमद भक्ति वेदांत श्रील वामन गोस्वामी महाराज ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस स्वामी अष्टोत्तर शत श्रीमद भक्ति वेदांत श्रील नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज हरिकर प्रभुपाद सरस्वती ठाकुर एवं समस्त गुरुवर्ग की श्रीचरणों में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तदनंतर उपस्थित दंडीपादगण वैष्णव एवं वैष्णवियों को यथायुक्त प्रणाम एवं सादर अभिनंदन। इस जगत में गिरिराज
In this, we were discussing that how Giriraj manifested in this Jagat, in this earthly planet. When Marji Ram
श्री प्रभु राम का गला अनुकरण करके जोर से चिल्लाया लक्ष्मण
Marachi, you know Marachi, yeah, like he was, when he heard the deer said, Ram, bachao, bachao, help me, help me. That's when Sita Devi told Lakshman that Ram is in danger, go and help her. Go and help Ram. So Sita is Lakshman is saying, no, this is not the voice of my brother Ram. Sita Devi is saying, actually Lakshman is saying, from the day, from birth I've been living with my brother Ram. But you, Sita, you have only you lived with Ram after your marriage. So my brother is a king of Ayodhya. Sita Devi said, no, it is my order, my order. Yeah, it's my order, you go. And so Sita Devi is saying, when the Ram is not present, then you have to take order of the queen.
राम बन जाए तो हमसे घर बनाओगे,
So-
जाओगे। तो लक्ष्मण
Laks-
बहुत दुखी हुए।
Lakshman was very sad.
भगवान गुरुदेव जो सीखा, जो अनुभव किया,
Whatever he heard, whatever from Guru.
को खींच के जा रहा हूँ। हमारे भाई के साथ आओ, अंदर आओ, बाहर जाओ, कोई बात नहीं।
It's,
किसी भी कीमत पर अकेला रहते हुए
mhm.
इस रेखा को उल्लंघन मत करना, इस पद में
So Lakshman is saying,
चले गए।
Lakshman put this rekha, this round circle with his stick around Sita and said, while I will go and see where Ram is. So while I'm away, you make sure you don't go outside this circle.
दानविक बल,
Danapi, well, all these different strength.
एक एक करके सबको दांव पर लगाया, सब एक साथ लगाया, कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
So
इसमें है क्या चीज लक्ष्मण रेखा में?
what is this rekha? This circle in the Lakshman. Even all the scientists in this world could not understand what this line was. They could not understand that line. So
अब जब सीता देवी दीक्षा देने की
when Sita Devi, when Ravan came to ask for Bhiksha, Sita Devi said, no, I cannot come outside the circle because my brother-in-law Lakshman has warned me that I should not go outside the circle. So the Ravan said, oh, look, I am a very big Yotisi. Your husband, you send your husband Ram to go and catch a deer. I can see that. Then I will, otherwise, if you don't come outside and give me Bhiksha, then I will curse, that I will see that your Ram, your husband will die. So then she got really frightened. She said, oh. So that's why I said every lady should be very careful, that they should be careful, like they shouldn't just listen to anything. They should be. So that's why you should be very careful. Ladies should be very careful. You should absorb your mind. Don't let your mind wander here and there. Absorb your mind in Sri Hari Guru Vaishnav Seva. Mind, what is mind? Is the boundaries of this material world. Because of the mind, Bhagwan's Kripa, so we must have done something to have is Bhagwan's Kripa, and the love and affection He has for us. That's why He's given us this human body. So that's why. So then Sita was kidnapped. Then everybody realized, everybody got the news that she's been kidnapped. So then they thought if they meet Hanuman, then he can go and save Sita. And the Ram and Lakshman came. Bhagwan's roop is a beautiful roop. Whoever jivas, even if you put the makeup on, even if one does a lot of makeup, they cannot even match the beauty of Ram, of Bhagwan. Bali. Hanuman said, Hanuman came. There's one question. Want to meet. Lakshman said, we want to meet Hanumanji. Then said, what is the Karan? What is the reason? Lakshman, he's asking questions, but he doesn't even know the answers. So Sure.
राम महाराज दशरथ के पुत्र हैं।
He's a son of mother Dashrath. This Ram is older brother and Lakshman is Sita.
हनुमान से तुरंत मिला दूंगा।
So
भैया मानो हनुमान के जेब में रखा हुआ है।
Hanumanji is like his pocket. It's like Hanumanji is as if in his pocket, and he would say, "Here, give it."
तब हनुमान जी समझ गए।
Then Bhagwan ji understood.
छिपा कर हनुमान वेश में आ गए। तो उसे प्रभु आप अपने सेवक को पैसे इतना देर लगा दिया।
So he said, "Oh, he said Hanumanji was dressed up as a Brahmin." And then Hanumanji is telling Ram that you took so long to realize that I'm your servant.
परीक्षा कर ले।
You do pariksha, you test me.
क्या है?
What is the siksha here?
तो भगवान के मिलने गुरु जरूरत है।
So what is the siksha here? The siksha here, if you want to meet Bhagwan, then you need Guru.
इसलिए पहले
First,
से बात
so see, like because of Lakshman, see, first Hanumanji had to have kripa of Lakshman, and then because of kripa of Lakshman, then he got darshan of Ram. So similarly, what Maharaj is saying here, that to have darshan of Bhagwan, we have to have Guru.
हनुमान जी अंगद के दल में अंगद थे ग्रुप कैप्टन। कौन थे? हनुमान, जाम्बुवान,
जाम्बुवान।
सब लोग थे।
Jambuwan.
अब पार करें कौन? समझो पता चला कि समुद्र को पार करके
That you have to cross the ocean. That Ravan has crossed the ocean and taken Sita.
बड़ा बड़ा बांदर, बड़ा बड़ा पेट, सागर लोग भीतर माथा करे हैं। जाम्बुवान बताया
Jambuwan.
मैं जा तो
So
सकता हूँ।
I can go.
अंगद को बोला अंगद
Well, wonder.
तुम हमारे ग्रुप कैप्टन हो, तुम जाओ।
He said, "You are the group."
जा सकता हूँ।
Hanuman said, "He's a group captain." So he said, "I can go, but
क्या लेकिन मगर अरे मगर क्या गदर देखना है?
Magar, like I think Magar means crocodile.
आप पाओ या नहीं समझे?
I don't know. I don't know what Magar. I think it means crocodile, but I'm not sure.
अक्षय कुमार है। पहले कोई अक्षय में जाके मारे तब बाकी काम में जाके तमाम कर लूंगा। क्यों? क्या हुआ? जो लोग कॉलेज में पढ़े हैं जानते हैं।
Who study in the college, they will know.
सेकंड ईयर के
When you are doing second year.
बच्चे को रैगिंग करता है।
Second year knows they
bully बोलते हैं।
like bully. They will go and bully the first year college students.
अब जब कोई बच्चा फर्स्ट सेकंड ईयर में नवीन जो आएगा उसको तंग करते हैं।
It's like second years because they've just
इंडिया से जो स्टन ग्रेड से नहीं।
bought the
पहले अक्षय कुमार
for Akshar Kumar.
गुरुकुल में पढ़ता था।
They were studying in Guru.
आज प्रतिदिन हम लोग को पिटाई करता था। आज बताया गुरु बोले जान से मार दूंगा। अक्षय कुमार डर के बारे में बोल रहा था, बहुत शक्तिशाली था। एक दिन ऐसे पिटाई किया।
Then he beat them up.
बैठा हुआ है मेरे सामने और हम लोग थोड़ा साइड में। रोक क्यों रहा है? फेस इज द इंडेक्स ऑफ माइंड। तुम चाहो ना चाहो, तुम गुरु के रूम करके बैठे हो, गुरु द्वारा मन पढ़ लेता है।
You are sitting in front of Guru. Guru knows everything about you from your mind.
खिला हुआ कमल जैसा होना चाहिए।
You should be like a kamal.
गुरु जी ऐसे नहीं है, पकड़ लेते क्या?
Even if you are worrying, what you are thinking, Guru will catch you.
हम तो नहीं चाहता है, सॉरी, अक्षर नहीं चाहता है, पानी नहीं जाता है। क्या हुआ? ये मुख उठाता है, हम लोग साइड से डर जाता है। 2-4 बार हुआ। अरे बेटा अक्षय कुमार बोल क्या हुआ?
Says
हाँ
Buddha,
बोलना भाई, तुम्हारा भय नहीं।
why?
बता गुरुजी ने क्या करूं?
See, he said to Guruji, say Guruji,
क्यों? प्रतिदिन पिता बताया क्यों नहीं? मुझे वो बताया कि गुरुजी बोलेगा तो जब जान से मार दूंगा।
so he said, if I tell you,
पता नहीं जब क्लास से जाओ क्या करेगा? ना
something about
शैतान है। अक्षय की एक समाचार मारेगा तुरंत मर जाएगा, लेकिन अक्षय कुमार सावधान, बिना कारण से अंगद को मारना नहीं। हाँ जी, जो आपका आदेश है, पर इसलिए मैं जाऊंगा। अक्षय कुमार आएगा तो मारेगा, तब मैं मर जाऊंगा। कोई जाके के रक्षण कर न पाए। अब सब बोला जाम्बुवान से, जाम्बू में जा तो सकता हूं।
Jamon, okay, now Jamon said,
क्यों?
I can go across the
उम्र
river,
हो गया है।
but I will find it very difficult because I'm very old, my body is old and my body is not so good. When Satyuga Pavandev, he gave a Raja to Bali Maharaj,
7 बार पूरा पृथ्वी का परिक्रमा किया था।
then I did the parikram of that,
उम्र हो गया,
but now I'm old,
समझ में नहीं आता।
so I cannot.
हम जाए कौन?
Then who will go across the river?
हनुमान से कर, हनुमान
Then Hanuman said, Hanuman, then he said, Hanuman was standing, not saying a word. He said,
बहुत बच्चे बहुत नटखट था।
Hanuman was.
इसके सवाल बोलते लोग दुष्ट है ये है, तो वो कौन है? हनुमान
said-
जी वैष्णवाना में यथा शंभु।
When Vaishnava,
वैष्णव कौन है? शंभु शिव ठाकुर।
who is the Vaishnava?
वैष्णव ठाकुर है, नटखट बन पाएगा? शिवजी वैष्णव ठाकुर है।
Shivji is also Vaishnav Thakur, yeah? He's the topmost Vaishnav.
कामत नहीं है तो कुछ तो कुछ होगा।
So he's something.
अब हुआ क्या? हनुमान बचपन में
Hanuman, when he was young,
बंद करके रखता था।
he was,
लोग सो रहे हैं, कुछ लोग
like he would be very naughty. When young children are sleeping, he would go and like pinch them and wake them up.
उससे बंद करके फुल उठ जाते हैं।
And he would tie the children and then he just fly off.
माँ-बाप करते हैं, गिर जाए तो मरेगा ही करेगा।
She's like very mischievous.
मानेगा नहीं माँ-बाप का बात। अब थोड़े बड़े हुए,
Now he's
एक दिन क्या किया? जैसे अभी बता रहे थे ना,
Oh, like-
किसने बोले भूख लग गई,
like here Sakhas was saying that we are hungry, and Krishna said to go to Brahminis and so we'll eat. So like that, so Bandar, the monkey,
नहीं खाता है, उससे अधिक नुकसान करता है।
actually Bandar they destroy so much. They don't eat so much, but they destroy so many things.
दौड़ा लाठी लेकर के,
So like that,
तो बड़े-बड़े पे छिप गए।
so
वो दिख भाग रहा है, ये कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है।
so the monkey is
तो फिर मैं जी दिखाता हूँ।
the,
क्या किया?
Then he
तो
said-
बैठा, दिखा पे बैठा हुआ है।
he's sitting down.
पेड़ में दिख नहीं रहा है। वो ऐसे कुछ को बड़ा करके
the fell.
बाली को बांध दिया।
So Bali, yeah, with his long tail, he tied Hanumanji tied Bali with his long tail.
हम करोगे तो ऐसे मारना, ऐसे साथ। अब थोड़ा बड़े हुए, अब गुरुकुल में दे दिया माँ बाप ने, केसरी और अंजना ने जा करके गुरुकुल में इतने तंग करते, बच्चे बैठे हुए, गुरुजी
If the
आए,
children are there and the guru is not there,
उधर के पढ़ते,
then he would.
इतना खूब है, इतना तेज है, क्यों? ये साक्षात शिव जी है,
The
सदा
Shiv-
के देवता है,
Like Shivji, Sakha.
और 4 युग के 4 अलग-अलग जो धर्म है। कृतेज भैतो विष्णु
This-
कृपया विजयतो मखई, तापरे परिचर्यायां कलो संकीर्तके सर्वम। कृतेज भैतो विष्णु, कृत तथा सप्तयुग में भगवान का ध्यान करना। कृपया विजयतो
In Tetra, you do meditate on Bhagwan, and in Dwapar you worship the Archan of Bhagwan, and Tetra you do Yagna, and Kali Yuga Nam Sankirtan.
भगवान अर्चन सब करेंगे,
So it's
मेन है
some-
नाम संकीर्तन।
Actually, the main thing is Nam Sankirtan.
हवन,
In Satyug is Havan, Yagna, नाम संकीर्तन, अर्चन।
प्रधान ध्यान का, ऐसे इसका प्रधान है। अब तो 3 योग तो होता।
There's 3 yagnas. In Gurukul there was 3 yagnas.
गुरु जी क्या चले गए, उन्होंने क्या किया? बहुत सा लकड़ी रखा हुआ है योग के लिए।
They had a lot of lakdi like
चारों
stick.
तरफ से आग, धक्का, दाव जल रहा है।
This big fire.
गुरु जी से आग लग गई।
They said fire. So he said, oh Guruji, there's a fire.
मुझे हनुमान,
I said, Hanuman?
ये आपको गुरु जी ले लाया मैं।
He said, oh, I put the fire. I put it on fire.
हवन करते मेरा मन नहीं चलता।
You know, like small yagna, I thought it would be small yagnas and I don't like small yagnas, I like big yagnas. So he put a big fire
आज से
around.
तुम अपना सब जो बल पिता सब भूल जाएगा।
So here then the Guruji say that whatever the strength you have, I will
जगत के
curse.
कल्याण के लिए
Curse.
ये दिन याद दिला दे तो वापस मिलेगा।
Then only for good. So after that, well, he became very humble, right? And his strength. And then he said, now I'm taking all your strength back. You can only use the strength if it's for the kalyan, for the benefit of people.
खुद गए हनुमान उसी को लेके राम का नाम, हरि से बड़ा हरि का नाम।
Naam.
अब हनुमान जी
And Hanumanji, what did he do?
जय श्री राम।
Siradhem, and he spoke.
सीता का संदेश ले आया।
He brought a message. He got the message of Sita.
जाए कैसे?
And he got
प्रभु
the,
रामचंद्र कुशासन में बैठे 3 दिन वरुण देव समुद्र से प्रार्थना कर रहे जाएगा देने के लिए, समुद्र आया नहीं।
he was doing prarthana to the breast. And then he said, Ram said, give me bow and arrow.
जय उठाया।
He told Lakshman, give me bow and arrow.
वरुण देव
Then
हाथ
he
जोड़
came.
करके, प्रभु क्षमा करें, आप मुझे सुखा देंगे तो इधर तो अघटन हो जाएगा। तो रास्ता क्यों नहीं गया प्रभु? एक काम करें, आपके ग्रुप में नॉन लिंगो बंदर है, बहुत नटखट है, उनको एक अभिशाप है ऋषि का, उनका वरदान है। वो कब क्या है? नॉन लिंग पहले इतने शैतान था, नटखट था, जाएगा ऋषि के आश्रम में, उनके को साथ सब लेकर पानी में फेंक देगा। लोग आते ऋषि पर और जब कुछ नहीं मिले